Yo guys, welcome back to Rose. So guys, we're gonna play Scream Stream. Tama ba yung pangalan? Scream, baby, oh yeah.
Ano daw?
Okay guys, we're gonna play Scream Stream. Ata yung name. And watch for the, I think, watch until the end cause it's about to be funny. Okay, tara na pre.
Pinas mo?
Yeah, hindi. Dito sa kabila pre. Okay, never mind.
Oh my God.
Bro, no one wants to be with you, bro. Get out. Bakit yung pangalan niya, pre? Lulubel. Okay, guys, let's go. We highly recommend to use headphones, but we're not gonna use headphones. Pre, open mo yung, yung settings volume sa pinakmataas. Half lang, pre.
Pre, ako muna, hakin mo na yung camera, tapos sa'yo na.
Okay.
Hakin mo na yung kami.
Kami? Ha! Okay, guys, ano lalagay natin sa text?
Dali. Pre, akin na. Wait, naka-video na ba?
Oh.
So guys, like, yung kung paano to gawin, which is, nasan ka na?
Wait lang, pre. Ba't nagtatype ako ng ganito?
Oh,
Wait lang, ano kaya pangalan? Ano pangalan?
Hindi ko lang.
18.
Okay. Paano ka po?
Pwede na. Apply. Okay, pre. Ako muna.
Sige na. Alisin mo muna. Huwag mo muna kasi video. Pre, ayun yung ayaw ko sa'yo. Yung video mo kagad eh.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
Pre, alam mo ba, mayroon yung battery?
Saan ba yun? Hindi ko na makita saan yung battery nito. Ah, yun.
Huwag mo muna kasi. Pre, naka-record ba?
Hindi. Guys, you know my cousins always... So, tara na guys.
If that battery... Oh my God, I'm not gonna...
Shut up, bro.
So like,
Alright guys, we're back.
Okay guys, so like the purpose of this game is like we're gonna rate all the things you see.
Yeah, and you're gonna get money. Well guys, look at this van. Yo, say hello, cousin, whoever you are.
How to turn on the flashlight? I'm clicking.
Naka-on na talaga.
Turn yung flashlight, pre.
Ang hina.
See, look.
Oh.
There's no light.
Meron na.
No, ano yung flashlight?
Okay, guys.
Let's go.
Bro, alam niyo ba ano oras? Guys, look at the time right now. What time is it? Time. What time is it, pre? What time is it?
It's 5:24.
Yeah, it's day night, pre, guys. It's day night. It's about to like end or something like that.
Let's go, guys.
Sunrise.
That's my fear right there. That's my phobia. Wait.
Hey, don't get close.
I need to be Spider-Man, gang. I need to be Spider-Man.
Skibidi toilet. Ay! Nastak ako! Pre! Tulong.
Quick. Here, bro. Oh my God.
Come here. Mali dinalan ko.
I'm here, little spider. Oh my God.
na ako. Dead end na ako.
Oh, come here, come here. Come here, gang.
Ay! Ay! Skip toilet bomb bomb. Yes, yes, yes. Don't eat my bomb. Pre, go, 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 pre. Mamamatay na ako.
That's okay now, let's go now.
Pre, saan yung end? Saan yung exit, pre? Pre, saan?
Wait, the pre-recording, let's go. Oh my god, bro.
Guys, we need to record more. One more time.
Where are you? You're gonna die. Come here, little spider. Run.
Hey, little buddy. Come here, come here.
Oh, you're gonna die. Oh my.
Pre, I was lagging.
Oh, man.
Pre, it cost... It,
Okay, please go. Let's just go on another one. You're literally about to die.
pre, can you revive me? It costs 8 Robux.
No, I'm not gonna spend some more bucks.
It's 8 Robux.
No, let's go to surface again.
Ay, the surface. Okay, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Let's pick the camera. Let's pick the camera.
Where's the camera? Pre, naiwan natin doon.
Oh my.
Hindi mo ginawa.
No, bro, we're gonna get it again. We need to go. We need to get it again. So, bro, you're one of the. What is your IQ average?
Oh, bro. Okay, bro. At least I'm not short.
Bro, we're on the same height.
Heck no, bro. Guys, I wanna roast my cousin so bad, but he's gonna cry, guys, so I can't.
You're just like 6 inches taller than me. Bro, please stop jumping.
Ayan, bro!
Where is it that going? Oh my.
Press the button. We have...
What the thing? What do we need? Go to bed.
Go to bed. Syungi ka kasi, pre, hindi ka nagre-read eh.
Hey, ikaw rin naman eh. Ikaw yung mas matanda o ikaw mas matanda.
What? Ikaw mas matanda. Guys, do you guys know my age? Do you guys know our age? Do you guys know our age?
Bro, I'm 10 years old. You're literally like
I'm 12 years old, by the way.
in your 30s though.
Bro, pre, hindi ako makagalaw. Oh.
Because you're not the chosen one.
Okay, di talaga sa akin. Saan yung, pre, akan yung flashlight ko?
Yung flashlight. Praise, ano na lang yung flashlight?
Asa yung camera?
Sa akin.
Wala akong flashlight talaga, boss.
Oh, wala na pre. Kinuha natin ito. Puno ka sa light. Bili ka ng
Bro, I hate you.
order. Sana, in-order mo ba? Order. Tayo mag-order! Pumunta na.
Kailangan ko ng ilaw. Ano ka ba? Paano makikita yung pera natin?
Yun na lang to. Wala na yung flashlight, pre. Yun, sa'yo na lang yan. Ito, pre, oh. Hello, pre, dito, oh. Let's go.
Okay, guys, we're back.
Oh my god, I cannot see anything. Turn on the flashlight.
Pre, this is where I... Ay! Kalm. Ba't spoon and pork? Nasa yung spoon?
Hey, man. Very good, bro.
Pre, likod mo. Ay! Kalbo. Hi! Hi, record him more. Hey guys! Ooh, wala, baby!
trip. Let's go, easy trip.
Wala ba, maming? Hey! 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 Bro, guys, it looks like you. Okay, no, pre.
Let's go, man. Let's go. I'm going on a trip in a film.
Okay, guys, we're back. Open this Gatam Gar and then sell it, pre. Ako naman kukuha ng CD, tas ikaw next.
Oh my god. Oh, just go in a sleeping thingy.
Bro, ako nakukuha! Dude, maglilib ako. Pag hindi mo binigay, pag pinasok mo kagad, pre, maglilib akong game. Maglilib akong game. Okay, nice. Hindi ka magano, ah. Bro, guys, my cousin is so freaking dumb. Sinabi ko na, guys, sa akin na yung CD. Hindi nga talaga binigay kasi he's rich baiting me. Pag nirich bait ko sa kanya, bro, magagalit siya. Okay.
$322, $324, $26.
Bro, you suck at recording. I'm gonna record next. You suck at recording.
Go to bed.
You suck at recording, bro. Guys, you suck at recording, bro. Cuckoo! Bum. Bum. Bro, how do I drop? May camera pa akong isa. Skibidi toilet, boom. Alright, guys, so welcome back to our channel. Guys, this is Christmas tree. Yup. This is our house. This is the spaceship we're gonna ride on.
Guys, I'm about to leave, so goodbye. Para mag-ilip ka.
Okay, guys, we're going in a trip to our favorite rocket ship. Okay, guys, we arrived.
Don't die again.
Okay, guys. Oh, look at him. It's him, guys. Ay! Takbo, pre! Takbo! Okay, guys. Diyan ka lang, pre. Okay, wala na pa. Mamamatay na ako. Okay, akit ako, pre. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Pre! Ba't may isang tao dito? Ay! Ew! Looks so weird. Okay, tapos na ako. Lobot na ako. Go! Paano mag-drop? Q. Okay, tara.
Drop ko dito!
Ha? Dadrop ko.
Pre, don't act like...
Oh my gosh, nangyari?
Ay, oh my God. Go. Pre, stop! Huwag mo i-spawn yung ano. Oh my God. Pre, i-drop ko lang yung camera. Di-drop mo na ba?
Wait lang, pa-drop ko pa lang.
Drop. Go. Go. Oh, damn, bro.
Oh yeah. Pre, ba't may risky, Kiki? Pre, kita mo, pre, risky, Kiki. Kaibigan mo yan? Pre, kaibigan mo yon? Si Risky, Kiki. May Daryl Hunters, oh.
Wala naman monsters eh. Pero no way. Ang pangit pag-record, diba?
W, guys, W, guys, W. W. Game boy.
I go to bed.
Pre, go to bed. That's not gonna work, pre. Go to bed.
Pre, ano ba?
Let's go. Saan yung camera?
Pagtingin ka. Pre, ikaw nalaganay na hawak-hawak mo.
Yeah, you got me. Ba't ayaw maalis? Bro, wala akong camera.
Stay down. Huwag ka mag-rage, babe. Huwag ka mag-rage, babe. Huwag ka mag-rage,
Pre,
babe.
guys, look at my inventory. Look, may camera ako dito, guys, pero hindi ko ma-drop. Oh, kiniklik ko.
Uy, no, I cannot see it.
Guys, what? Wala nga sa akin, bro. Look, pre, you're rage baiting me.
Wala kang nilagay sa akin na kahit flashlight eh.
Bro, wala nga sa akin eh. Pre, stop. Oh my gosh, pre. Pre, wala talaga sa akin. Bro.
One more click, wala na yung problems.
Pre, wala nga sa akin. Can we buy Can we buy? Bro, wala nga eh. Wala sa akin. Bro, let's just go without a camera. Wala sa akin eh. Bro. Pre, seryoso nga, wala nga sa akin ah. Baka magalit ka dyan. Bro, wala nga sa akin. Pre. Bro, nasa iyo yung camera eh. Oh my God. Bro, wala nga kaming camera. I dropped my flashlight.
Pareho ka pa kanina, hindi ako bilang. Ginawa mo.
Pre, wala nga ako sa akin.
Bro, don't let...
Bro, ano tayo? Rejoin. Wala nga sa akin eh. Bro.
Delete camera. Kung mag-save ka, dinrop yung camera.
Wala nga sa akin, bro.
Dinrop yung camera, yung nag... Okay. Let's get this. Yung nag-leave ka. Oh my God.
Yung nag-leave ako, anong nangyari?
Dinrop yung...
Bro! Bro! We can replay the video na wala sa akin. Pre, we can replay the video na wala sa akin. Bro! Pre! Pre, wala nga sa akin. Bro, you can replay the video.
Replay it.
Alright guys, we're gonna go. Bye. Stay subscribed. Look at his face.